Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you a new trick about selecting cells professionally in Excel. You see here we have about 5,000 cells. To select this, it is difficult to select it like this, for example. It takes much time. Okay, now I show you a trick which is very fast and saves your time. How we can do it? Just, for example, I want to select this column. Just select the first cell, then Control Shift and draw down arrow. Directly it select all the cells. For example, I want to select multiple cells. Okay, just select some cells at the top. Again, Control Shift and draw down. Also, there is another trick you can watch. I put it in the description of the video. That's all. Have a nice day.